Meet Magazine Luiza, with over 8 million Instagram followers. This Brazilian AI influencer is a household name, landing massive brand partnerships and dominating social media. Then there's Lil Miquela, 2.4 million followers, campaigns for Prada, Samsung, Calvin Klein, earning more from one deal than most creators make in months. Next up, Aitana Lopez, 374K followers, a pink-haired digital model already pulling in serious brand money. Then Emma Graham, 389K followers, the quirky Japanese influencer you've spotted in IKEA ads, Puma campaigns, and Vogue spreads. Shuda Graham, 238K followers, the world's first digital supermodel, featured in Fenty beauty campaigns and international fashion magazines. Kenza Layli, 190K followers, a Moroccan AI influencer making waves with luxury brand collabs. And Rosie Graham, 170K followers, South Korea's first virtual influencer, booked for ads, sponsorships, and fashion shoots. Here's the wild part, none of them are real. They're AI influencers, completely computer generated, yet they're making tens of thousands of dollars every single month from brand deals, sponsorships, and product placements. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the problem. When most people try to make their own AI influencer, it falls apart. The face changes from post to post, outfits are hard to swap, walking animations look stiff, and facial expressions feel fake. Now imagine this instead. Your AI influencer talks naturally, walks with perfect body language, changes outfits in seconds, shows natural expressions, and still keeps the exact same consistent face in every post. Crazy, right? And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through how you can generate stunningly realistic influencer images, swap faces in seconds, create lip-sync videos with voiceovers, and even add audio effects with AI. The best part? You don't need any complicated editing skills. This tool does everything for you. So stick with me till the end, because I'll also share pro tips on how to use these AI influencers to go viral on Instagram Reels, boost your reach, and even attract high-paying brand deals. Let's dive in. So first of all, you need to go to Influencer Studio. Don't worry, I've already added the link down in the description, so you can just click and sign up. Now, this is actually an AI influencer builder, where you can create super realistic AI influencers just by typing a simple prompt. And hey, you don't need any advanced prompting skills for this. It's really beginner friendly. All right, so once you log in, just head over to the settings. Here, make sure the image size is set to portrait and the quality is set to high. Perfect. Now let's type in our very first prompt. Here it is. Create a 24-year-old American female influencer with fair glowing skin, light brown wavy hair, blue-green eyes, and a fit lifestyle look. Now let's hit generate, and there we go. The image is being created, and within just a few seconds, it's ready. Look at that. The quality is seriously amazing, and the picture looks so realistic, right? Now, in case you're not fully happy with the result, no problem. You can always tweak your prompt and generate a brand new image. But honestly, I'm pretty satisfied with this one, so let's move ahead. You might have noticed that the default image comes in a square size. But since we need it in portrait, that's 9:16, we'll have to convert it. So here's what you do. Either type in a new prompt with the aspect ratio, or just go to the action section, click on change image size, and you'll see that the prompt updates automatically. Let's first try converting this into landscape format. I'll just click on generate, and there we go. The image has been perfectly converted into a landscape. Nice. Now let's do the same for a portrait. Just change the ratio again to 9:16, hit generate, and boom, our image is now in portrait mode. The quality still looks amazing, and the face is completely consistent. All right, now I want to give this image a 4K quality upgrade, so I'll just type a simple prompt. Upscale this image to 4K, and boom, within a few seconds, the image will be upscaled to 4K. I'll open it in a new tab, and wow, just look at the clarity. The quality is super clean and extremely high resolution. All right, that looks amazing. Next, let's try something really fun. We're going to change the outfit of this model. So first, I'll add the upscaled image by clicking on the plus button. Then I'll also upload an outfit image that I want the model to wear. After that, I'll go to actions, click on change my outfit, and hit generate. All right, the AI is now changing the outfit. And wow, within seconds, the model's outfit has been replaced. And look at this, it actually fits perfectly, like it was designed for her. This is so impressive. But yes, I notice an issue in the background. Don't worry, that's an easy fix. We can handle it with just a single prompt. So for that, I'll type something like, show the influencer in a luxury restaurant, then I'll hit generate. And just look at this, the new image has been successfully created. The quality is stunning, and honestly, this looks just like a real influencer. Now, if you ever feel like the realism isn't strong enough, there's a quick fix. Just go to actions, click on increase realism, and hit generate. And here we go. The image instantly looks way better. It now has that high quality DSLR shot feel. Absolutely mind-blowing. And finally, here comes the most exciting part. We're going to turn this image into a video. For that, just type the simple prompt, turn this image into a realistic video, and hit generate. The video generation process will now begin. It might take a little bit of time, so just be patient. Oh, and one more thing. You'll notice that the video generation model being used here is Kling AI 2.1. That basically means the video output is going to be super powerful and ultra realistic. All right, the video is now ready. Let's play it. And wow, This is incredible. Just look at this. Absolutely amazing. The realism here is super impressive. And honestly, the gestures and emotions are just mind-blowing. It actually feels like a real person. If you want, you can even download this video directly. Pretty cool. All right, now let's try something fun. I want to show the same model at the beach. So I'll just type in my prompt, hit generate, and boom, within seconds, a brand new image is created in a completely different style. And wow, this one looks fantastic too. It's super vibrant, and honestly, I really like it. Okay, let's explore another really exciting feature, face swap. For this, you'll need two images, one of your model, and the second is the target image where you want the face swapped. So first, I'll add the image of my model. Then I'll upload the target image as well. After that, I'll manually type in my prompt, hit generate, and just like that, in only a few seconds, the model's face has been swapped successfully. It's actually pretty crazy how fast this works. And if you're not fully satisfied with the result, no worry. You can always try again until you get the perfect look. So yeah, these were some of the basic but super useful features, and I'm sure you're going to love them. The best part is you only need to give a simple prompt and you can create a full AI influencer in seconds. You can generate multiple images in different poses, then turn 4 or 5 of them into short videos, combine them together, and make a complete reel. Finally, just add some trending music and upload it straight to Instagram. And that's it. You've got a professional looking AI reel ready to blow up. And apart from this, you also get a bunch of advanced features here. For example, lip sync video generation with voiceover and much more. To access these, you just need to scroll up a little in the chat and click on advanced. Once you're there, you'll see a whole range of features and controls waiting for you. Like under the image section, you'll find powerful options for image enhancement and customization. You can even apply pre-designed styles to your influencer images to instantly give them a new look. Then, if you go into the video section, you'll see similar enhancement controls where you can fine-tune and customize your videos exactly the way you want. And finally, under the audio section, you can actually generate voices, change voice tones, and even add sound effects to your videos. The coolest part? This tool supports the 11 Labs voice generation model, which means the quality of voiceovers you'll get here is next level. So yeah, definitely make sure you explore all these advanced features on your own. They can take your AI influencer to a whole new level of realism. And don't forget, always post your creations on Instagram. Try generating videos in multiple poses, combine them into a reel, and pair it with trending music so you get maximum reach. Also, follow successful pages, learn from their style, and create content that's just as good so that eventually brands will start reaching out to you. All right, so that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then please give this video a big thumbs up, drop your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing tutorials. You can also follow me on Instagram for extra tips and updates.